Alright, welcome back to our channel. My name is Teacher Smith and today we are going to learn a very interesting topic. The name of the topic is counting digits. Now, to understand this topic well, I have taken a question. Let's have a look. The question says, count the number of digits in the sequence below. So here I have a sequence which starts with 5 all the way to 47. I have to count how many digits are there. Now, maybe you might be wondering, what is a digit? Let's try to understand. Now, what is a digit? Here, let's say in English, we have a lot of letters. You can say alphabets. When you combine these alphabets, you form a word. Similarly, in math, there are many numbers. But how are these numbers made up of? These numbers are made up of digits, like 3 is a single digit, then 6 is a digit and 5 is a digit. When I put these digits together, it forms a number like this, 365. But there are different types of numbers that are present. For example, look here. Here in this number, there are how many digits? Oh, 1 and 2. There are only 2 digits. How about this number? Oh, here there are 3 digits and so on. The more digits you combine, the more bigger the number can get. Now understanding this, we have to count how many digits are here. Oh, so simple. What we can do, it starts from 5 all the way to 47. I have to count the digits. So why not write all the numbers and count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If I keep counting like this, it will take me a lot of time. Also, if the sequence is bigger, I can't imagine doing one by one. So, to count digit, if I keep counting one by one, will take us a lot of time. So, let's try to understand from these numbers. When we have a look at these numbers here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's one digit, second, 3, 4, 5. Here there are 5 digits. But after this, every number has 2 digits. 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on. Every of the number till 47 has 2 digits. So if I just consider this to be just a number, but every number 2 digit, we can finally think about getting the answer. So, this entire sequence is made up of 2 types of number, 1 digit number and 2 digit number. So, let's just solve it by discussing it in cases. For example, look here. Here in this, if I have a look at just the 1 digit number, here the 1 digit number will start from which number? Oh, perfect, 5. And end at which number? Lovely, 9. So, this 5 to 9 is just called as the range of the numbers. Like it starts from here and ends here, the range. Now, from 5 to 9, there are how many numbers? Now, I am pretty much sure that you have already watched the video about how to count numbers. So, if you haven't watched the video yet, the video link is in the description box. You can watch it there. So now to count the numbers is just 9 minus, there are 4 missing numbers. So there are 5 numbers here. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now these 5 are just the numbers, but every number got how many digits? 1 digit. So total how many digits are there? 5 number, every number 1 digit. There are 5 times 1, that is 5 digit. But are there only single digit number? No, we saw it starts from 10. So there are 2 digit numbers starting from 10. But can you tell me it ends where? Oh, perfect. Here it ends at 47. So here 10 to 47 is the range. Now I have to find out how many numbers are there. Here it's not starting from 1 to 47. It starts from 10 to 47. So how many numbers are missing? Oh, the starting 9 numbers are missing. So here 47, the 9 missing numbers, we get 38. But 38 is the number and every number got 2 digits. So, how to calculate this? perfect. 38. Every number is 2 means 38 times 2, which is 76. So, what are the total number of digits that are present here? We can just add them up, yes. 76 plus 5, which is 81, and that's how we can get the answer. So class, here the thing to understand is, whenever you have to count the number of digit, you can separate it into different cases, 1 digit, 2 digit. If the sequence is bigger, having 3 digit numbers, also 3 digits and so on. So here, whenever you have to count digits, we can discuss in cases and then you can do in order. And not just this, if you have understood this question well, I have a practice for you. Here, try out this practice and let me know in the comment box. Now, if you have any doubts regarding this question or any other question regarding math, here is a QR code from me. You can scan the QR code and can ask me any doubts, or else you can join our study group to join any of our activities. For now, I am Teacher Smith, signing off right now, but I'll see you in the next video.